Hello guys, Soi Cowboy is one of the three main epicenters of Bangkok's nightlife, along with the Nana Plaza complex and the red light district in the Patpong market area. The 150-meter long narrow lane is a series of pubs and go-go bars where girls, boys and transsexuals offer intimate services to customers, like on Pattay's Walking Street or Phuket's Bangla Road. Soi Cowboy has become a film set more than once. Hollywood stars have been here when episodes of the romantic comedy Bridget Jones' The Age of Reason, the crime thriller Bangkok Dangerous and the movie The Hangover 2 were filmed. It is said that the actor Hugh Grant fled, unable to withstand the annoying harassment of the bar girls. Soi Cowboy owes its name to a retired American soldier who, after being discharged from the army, didn't return to the United States and in the 1970s opened the first drinking establishment on an unremarkable street. The former pilot wore a cowboy hat, for which he received the nickname Cowboy. In their free time, soldiers and officers sold female company and paid generously to local residents for the leisure they spent together. Prostitution in the kingdom is illegal, but not as socially stigmatized as it is in other countries, which has been one of the factors in making Thailand a popular international sex tourism destination. It is customary to call women workers of the sexual front ladybug or ladybird. The comparison with ladybugs has taken root not only because of the bright color of insects. Entomologists have found that flying bugs mate for 9 to 10 hours a day, engage in a promiscuity, and are carriers of viral venereal diseases. Services and prices you'd like to know. Soi Cowboy Bangkok transforms at dusk. Neon signs and illuminations light up. The roadway is closed for traffic. Promoters come out on the sidewalks in sexy outfits and shoes on high platform and stilettos. Many tourists come here out of idle curiosity to see with their own eyes the legendary place where there is nothing to do for the champions of morality and morality again. The barker's task was to convince passersby to go inside the premises, promising discounts on drinks and an interesting show. It is best to read the price list before you open the door or pull back the curtain, separating the common space from the private area. The girls sitting at the bar are engaged in consummation. That is, they ask to treat them through a cocktail and flirt with visitors. This position is recruited by staff who speak tolerably English, so foreigners can count on a casual conversation. In a number of bars on Soi Cowboy, you can just sit with friends over a glass of beer, watch sports broadcasts, sing karaoke or listen to live rock and country music. But the main part of the establishments is focused on the public looking for spicy entertainment. At the pylons, hundreds of dancers in lingerie and erotic costumes move rhythmically to the music. However, these body movements are a little like dancing, and there is no talk of choreographic preparation. Podiums with chrome poles are a kind of counter on which potential buyers are shown an assortment of live goods. On the wrist, chest, or thigh of each participant in the fashion show, a serial number is fixed. A number of bars have stage venues with jacuzzis and showers, where fully naked girls arrange lesbian shows and staged group orgies, including those with BDSM elements. Handcuffs, whips, chains, and ropes are used. Tips on how to distinguish a woman from trans do not give 100% guarantee that instead of a moth, there will not be a moth in front of you. Plastic surgery and taking hormonal drugs work wonders. Many transsexuals insert silicone breasts but do not remove the male genitalia. If there is suspicion that the beautiful stranger is actually a cat toy, tell your interlocutor. Give me your document, please. In an ID, a plastic card that replaces an internal passport for Thais or a driver's license, Mr. or Miss will be written in front of the last name, even if the lady boy has done a full range of sex change operations, including vaginoplasty. According to the documents, he still remains a man. The issue of legislative consolidation of the concept of the third sex is still at the stage of public discussions, and attempts are also being made to legalize the sale of the body. So prices in bahts. Lady drink around 150 baht. Bar fine from 700. Short time since around 2000. To attract clientele, such a marketing ploy as happy hours is widely used. During happy hours, which usually last from 8 to 10 p.m., alcoholic drinks are sold at a discounted price. If there is no desire to pay a penalty to the bar for taking away an employee in the midst of a work shift, then prostitutes working alone are on a duty right on the street. The street is full of signs, room for rent. An hourly room rental will cost about 300 baht. Go-go bars. All establishments provide the same services, but the exteriors and interiors are different. The face of the pharaoh of lawns on the facade of Shebas Bar Egyptian motifs are used in the surroundings. Jingle Gyms plays with the jungle theme, while the opposite Shadow Bar broadcasts football matches, luring fans in with long happy hours from noon to 10 p.m. and beer from 85 baht a bottle. At Insomnia Bar, drinks are 99 baht from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. except for Heineken, Corona, Jameson, Chivas Regal and Remy Martin. Suzy Wong is decorated in Chinese style with red lanterns, bamboo furniture and hieroglyphic lettering. In Sam's 2000 will be served with a full meal. The menu includes not only pizza and light snacks like most competitors, but also tom yum with seafood and other dishes of traditional Thai cuisine. In the Country Road pub, 3 bands alternately play, mostly soul and reggae. There are pool tables. Baccarat occupies 2 levels. On the dance floor below, the girls are dressed in bikinis. On the second floor, they are in school uniforms. For visitors with Asian appearance, the entrance is free. Farangs will have to buy a drink first. Penny Black operates as a pub and restaurant. So how to get there? Soi Cowboy is located 100 meters from Sukhumvit Road, connecting Sukhumvit Soi 21 and Soi 23. The architecture dominant of the cityscape is the tower overlooking the Terminal 21 shopping center. The glow-in-the-dark building serves as an excellent landmark. Overground and underground metro lines pass nearby. The BTS SkyTrain station is called Asok and the MRT subways are called Sukhumvit. From the tourist street of Khao you can take buses number 2 and number 511 or by taxi.